Hey guys, I'm here today to talk a little bit about application security and specifically how to harden your applications that either you're doing a vulnerability assessment or a penetration test, or maybe you're just developing code on your own, developing a prototype. Oftentimes we start off with the best practices in the industry, which would be using something that is up to date, like a web server that is up to date or has all the updates in it. But then what kind of back end are you running? Are you running a Microsoft SQL or a MySQL or an Oracle? Maybe you're doing development on Android or iOS and you're using a SQLite database. Whatever flavor you're using for your data retrieval and data insertion, you still have to have some sort of baseline image that you can refer back to when things go awry. So if you've been developing for a little while, you probably know what I'm talking about. If not, then hang tight, we're going to jump into that right here. With a baseline, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll either create a VM snapshot, or we'll check in a code source that we have into some sort of code repository, like Subversion or SourceSafe using Microsoft products, or Team Foundation Server, or CVS. Those are a lot of good ones. Probably one of the most popular ones that's being used in the open market is GitHub. And you can pay to play for a team and using Git or GitHub. But that's just a repository of information. And really what that does is that helps us to make sure that if we're developing on the same app, you're not writing over what I just created and pushed out to let everybody take a look at, and I'm not writing over what you just created as well. So to have a baseline image, to do hardening and have some sort of management of that baseline image is super important. And from that, you can create great and powerful applications.